Hi tierra babes, I'm back with another video. My package came. Y'all see, we finna do a taste test. You know, I was looking for these all over, literally. I finally got them. I'm so excited, y'all. I don't know when I got delivered because I was at work, but these is cold. But let's get into them. Let's get into them. That smell, like how they used to smell back in the day. They got this for you. These is good. Y'all go invest. I will be shopping again because he got like a lot of good shit on there. And he got exotic snacks. So y'all go check out Rare Munchies on TikTok, etc. Getting some because this, baby. Yeah. Eat it. Okay, how it tastes.
Yeah.